Sandra? It's Wei.
Took you long enough to call.
Well, sometimes you have to wait for good things.
Waiting isn't my strong point. So, you taking me driving?
Yeah, I'll come pick you up.
I'd like that.
Cool. I'll be there soon.
Ciao.
Yeah, sure. What's going on?
My friend Katushka, she's gone missing. Nobody's seen her in a week. Katushka doesn't have a visa. She's illegal. Girls like her go missing all the time, but usually they don't have anywhere to go for help.
I'll check it out.
Would you? Oh, thank you.
Jan, what do you need?
I could use another taxi. Let me text you something.
I can't believe you're arguing with me on our anniversary.
You're the one with the sore feet.
But can I help you? It's sad that my life consists of sitting
Last
here
year's
watching
designs
you pick which
get the
car
hot-
you want.
An optical. With over 1,000 stores worldwide, our top designs bring you classic, retro, and funky. Guan Yin Optical. Designer frames and sunglasses.
All units, requesting backup to hit the gambling den on the waterfront. The suspect is needed for questioning. Keep that in mind.
I have the suspect in custody.
Wei, 歡迎。Kind of you to join me. Care for some tea? 嚟，飲啲茶。
Thank you.
Tu Jin Sao seems to be getting very comfortable in his new position as temporary chairman. Too comfortable. I hear that he is already planning to make it permanent, should Uncle Po not recover.
Big Smiley will kill him before he'll let that happen.
Indeed. And that would allow Lee to take over the Sun On Yi himself.
But that can't happen.
No, it cannot. Tu Jin must go. 但係 he must not be removed by force. He must step down on his own, after which there will be an election.
Why would he step down?
Tu Jin likes heroin. So far, he has managed to control his habit. 但係 anyone who indulges as he does lives permanently on the brink of an abyss. Nah, I've arranged for the quality of his supply to improve, and now you will give him a nudge over the edge.
Okay. How?
He is an immensely superstitious man. 好迷信㗎, obsessed with feng shui. He cannot bear to have the slightest thing out of place for fear of the misfortune it will bring.
And you want me to...
Make sure his luck turns bad. Very bad.
I like your style. I will.
Hey, what's your problem, kid? Mrs. Chen want you to talk to me.
Hey, you broken noses guy?
She told me to tag along. Give you feng shui advice. Feng shui, ah! A lot of people live by it. Feng shui is huge in Hong Kong.
You believe that?
Yeah. I've been spending a lot of time reading about ghosts and the supernatural. Want to make sure nobody I kill can hurt me. You know what I mean?
Goodbye, Mr. Chow. Have a nice day.
Right on schedule. Usually goes gambling at this time. Dude, Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up. How we get through that gate?
We'll find a way in. Come on.
Okay. Think we can get over the wall with the neighbors?
Yeah, hello? Who's this?
We got a delivery for you?
Really? My husband didn't tell me. He better not have ordered something stupid from the internet again.
You got all kinds of skills, don't you, kid? Reminds me of myself when I was your age, but less salty. I bet you're smarter, but probably not as tough. Pull the muscle. Ew! I didn't even know I had a muscle there. Maybe I'll get a massage.
Hey, don't be creepy.
What? You never heard of a grand massage? Like a real one, not a sex one. Happens all the time. Just ask any professional athlete.
So, how's business?
To be honest, Chanya, pretty damn shitty.
Really? What happened?
Taking a break from the import-export gig.
How come?
Something went wrong. I don't really want to talk about it.
All right, suit yourself.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
The boss's dog got out. We don't find it before he comes back, and heads will roll.
Oh, shit. I haven't seen it.
How we get through that gate?
Wait here. I'll open the gate from the inside.
Yeah, fucking tell me to wait here. Open from the back, kid. Wow, you're pretty and talented.
What?
I said you're pretty talented.
Oh, okay, sure. You too, Salty.
Hey, you want me to kick the door down? Hurry up, kid. I think I see a guard. Wow, I were him, I'd spend my money differently.
All right, Salty, you're the expert. What do we do?
We're fucking with his stuff to make it seem like there's ghosts that don't like him.
What about those vases?
Good idea. Maybe just leave 4. 4 is an unlucky number because the word sounds the same as death in Chinese.
I know 4 is bad, but shouldn't we try something else? We're some pretty unoriginal ghosts.
Okay, let's keep going. That thing there is supposed to bring good luck. If it disappears, well, that's not good luck.
He really buys into this hocus pocus shit?
You can't blame the guy. 2 Chin's got more money than taste. Wait. See that clock? Set the time 4:44 and unplug it. That'll freak him out. 4:44.
Yeah, this could work.
Oh, yeah. His feng shui is fucked now. Turn the piano so it faces the wrong way. I help, but I put my crank climbing on the wall. Hi la, my crotch isn't what it used to be. I'm at the law. I think we're done here. Old 2 Chin's gonna freak. Either he thinks ghosts fucking with him, or he knows his home is insecure. Quick, go.
Mr. Chow, is that you? Anybody in there?
What do we do?
Just hide. Stay calm.
Anybody in there?
Hey, is everything okay there?
Looks like Mr. Chow forgot to close his gate again.
I'm gonna get something to eat. You want anything?
You ordering food from the Golden Koi soon? I'll be right down.
They're gone. Come on.
Gage, 2 Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up. Ay-ya, deal! There's a camera.
Looks like we're on camera.
God, Tana. I hate how everyone got security cameras everywhere.
Don't worry. I'll take care of it. So, why do they call you old salty crab?
Well, there was this restaurant guy who owed me money. He couldn't pay. He told me I could eat for free at his restaurant until he paid. That way, I wouldn't cut off his hand like I normally would. So crab was the most expensive thing on the menu. I had that every night for about a year. Sang Nina. So they used to call me Salty Crab after that. Then I got old. I'm old Salty Crab. Idea, step on it, kid. Oh shit, I think he's home. Get down.
Those cards must have been rigged. I never had a game like that before. Never. 我從來未試過咁㗎。Why Why did you stop me? It's your job to protect me, isn't it? Fucking rodents, all of you. What is this? Look at this. How can you let this happen? It's all gone to shit. Gone to shit.
What do you want us to do, boss?
Get out. Get out. I need to think.
Wait, the guy left their car. Let's check it. Wait. Let's take the guard's car.
Nice.
Damn, I always wanted to get myself one of these.
One of these? Really?
Yeah, okay, bad idea.
You're a strange guy, salty crab.
Thanks. That means a lot to me.
Hey, I have a delivery here from the Golden Coin. Hurry up, I've been waiting for you for hours.
Nice work, kid. You got your salty style. Here comes in. See you later, kid.
Old salty style. Hello,
Wei,
Miss Chang. How are you?
Uncle Po. He's dead. We're making arrangements for the funeral.
Things could get,
Complicated. Yes. I'll be in touch.
of course. Whatever you need.
Wait, is Wei right?
Who are you?
Dr. Tang, I build tech for the Sun On Yi. I'm trying out a new tracking device. Can you give me a hand?
What do you need?
I put the tracker on a test package. I need you to see if you can follow it as it flows down the sewers.
The sewers?
Yeah, if it works, we can move drug and guns this way.
Yeah, sure.
No need to carry anything that will get you arrested. You just drop in wherever you are and pick it up where you need it.
Once I had a good man. Once
Dr. Tang, I followed the package. The transmitter stopped moving.
Excellent. Thanks, Wei. This show our attack could really work.
Club Radio。
辛苦咗成日，你需要放鬆一下，不如嚟 One-Eyed Monkey 享受舒適柔和嘅按摩。無論
Reports of gunfire. Unengaged units, please respond.
Hang in there. PTU on the way.
Get him alive. I don't want to die. Don't shoot.
That's enough. Get down.
Need a drink or 5. My shift is done.
The H Club. The Live， 然之後係令人讚歎嘅 In the Club， 仲有 HK Kowloon， 全部都係24 Hertz 嘅作品。
Oh, believe me, I don't want it to spread. I'll be very careful.
Move your ass! Okay, take it. Just don't hurt me.
於世人嘅方式。正係為世界生存嘅公式。
Hey, hi.
Hey, Amanda. You look frustrated. What's going on?
It's closed. Why is it closed?
The public is only allowed in on the weekends.
Oh, this sucks. I wanted some pictures for my blog.
Well, let me see what I can do.
You know how I was talking about writing a book?
Yeah? With your photos, right?
Yeah. I decided to do it on all those cool little shrines all over town. Oh, can you take a picture here? That looks good, thanks.
Yeah, I have to say, that dress looks really good on you.
Well, you know, this guy bought it for me.
The guy bought you that dress, huh? Tell me about him.
Well, he's pretty cocky. A bit of a jerk. But he's also kind of cute.
And what does the guy think about you?
I don't know. I hope he likes me.
Well, I don't know about the guy, but I think you're pretty cute. Do you think you can let me and my friend in?
No, I told you it's closed.
Look, I'll make it worth your while.
Well, sir, it is time for my break. I think I'll go for a walk.
You're so resourceful, Way. Hey, will you take some pictures for me? Please? Oh, over here. Oh, that's pretty. I think this is a good spot. Good composition. One more. That's great. Thanks. You're a pretty good photographer.
Ah, no problem. My pleasure.
That was great. Thank you so much. I can't believe you got us in here.
It's no problem. I mean, it was fun. Kind of, nice playing tourist in your own town.
Yeah, I can see that. Thanks again, though, for taking the time to, do this.
Yeah, it's okay.
So, was this like a date?
Sounds good to me. What do you think?
Definitely. I mean, yeah, that sounds great.
Well, thank you for the date, then. So, hey, I have an idea.
Oh, really? Tell me more.